Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, the market has survived the fall yesterday and still standing above 1930. Yesterday we discussed about the selling opportunity below 1940. We got the opportunity, but surprisingly market took support around 1934. Yes, we discussed about 1934, but to be honest, I was not expecting 1934 to work after news. Surprisingly it worked, and both the levels are still very much valid. As a day trader, things are quite simple in front of us. Market is in downtrend. Taking a sell position is obviously best thing to do right now. But there are some complications. So this video may sound a little bit complicated. So please watch the video carefully. So first of all, let's look at the economic calendar. Today also we have news coming up. So market will be volatile. Market will show crazy moves. So please be careful. If you're a new trader, beginner, then please try to close down your positions before the news, because market may show extreme volatility and your stop loss may not work because of slippage. So please be careful. Do not gamble with your capital. Do not gamble with your hard-earned money. Okay. And if you look at DXY, then dollar index still looks bullish, heading towards 103 right now. We can see that dollar index has crossed the resistance of 102.50. We expected this breakout, and market is surviving, trading comfortably above 102.50. During the day before the news, if dollar index continues the upside, 103 to 103.25 will be the resistance. I don't think so dollar index will be able to break this level before the news. On the other hand, if dollar index shows correction or retracement, then we have support around 102 to 101.90. This is the retracement level or support level before the news. Let's wait and watch how the market does before the news. I don't think so market will show extreme volatility before the news, because market has been volatile for the last couple of days. I think market will prefer to take risks for the next couple of hours. So now let's look at the chart of gold. Where is gold? Yes, there is gold. Okay, so right now gold is standing at 1937.67. okay, this is the current market price here. As you can clearly see that there is not much volatility in the market. So things are very simple. For a breakout or breakdown, volume or volatility is extremely important. If there is not much volume in the market, then obviously we can expect our levels to work. So first of all, let's talk about 1934 level. Yes, the support of 1934 is still very much valid if the volatility of the market remain like this. Right now I'm recording the video in Asian session. Market is flat, so 1934 will work if market shows downside. During the European session also, if the volatility remains like this, then 1934 will work. And in case market shows a big red candle here, then obviously you should not go with 1934. Use your common sense. Trading and common sense go side by side. So in that case, your next support will be 1930. In fact, in my previous videos also I have told you guys that 1930 seems to be a very strong support, and precisely 1930 to 1925 is a very strong support zone. And I think that market will be able to survive today after news also. I don't think so market will break 1925 level. If market breaks also, market will come back again. Okay, that's my theory. I can be wrong also. Okay, because if I take you today this thing, okay, this is the options data. Where is put? Okay, those who understand fusion options, okay, these things are okay. You know the importance of the option chain. And okay, here is 1920, 1925 and 1930. You can see that we have, okay, 1433 open interest. Around 1930 we have 1849. And the most critical thing you need to observe here is that positions are not winding up. We can see the new contracts have been added in this area 1925 and 1930, which gives us the additional confirmation that the strong buyers, okay, they are very much bullish on the chart of gold and they will try to protect the level. That's why I'm telling I believe that after news also there's a high chance that market will try to protect 1925 1930 level. Okay, and to be honest, I think that gold will head towards 2000 level, 1990 level by the end of the month. If gold survive above 1925 level till tomorrow. Okay, so surviving above 1925 is very critical. If gold survives, then it will head towards 1990 or 2000 level. Let me show you why. Because see, right now I'm in the 2000 call levels here, and you can see that around 2000 level we have the highest open interest of 9684, and you can see that positions are winding up and we do not have any big open interest also. So there's a good chance that gold will try to take support at 1925.30, if though the chart is showing a different stuff. If you're a beginner, then I'm extremely sorry, probably you have not understood, and okay, then you don't need to focus. Okay, just keep in mind, okay, try to follow the trend of the market and try to trade from level to level only. If you're a beginner, just keep in mind that on higher time frames we saw that market is an indecision. Okay, and on lower time frame like 1 or 4 hours, we can easily see that market is not very decisive, and more or less we can see a sideways market. Since yesterday we can see the market is in downtrend right now. So as a result, try to trade from level to level only if you are a day trader. So as I said, during the day, if the volatility of the market remains like this, 1934 is the first support, and in case market breaks it by the European session, 1930 is the support for the day. And because of some reasons like the data, okay, I believe the 1925 1930 is extremely strong support, and after news also there is a high chance that the level will be there as support. Okay, on the other hand, before news, if gold goes up, then we have resistance around 1941 and 1944. These are the two resistances on the chart of gold before news. Right now you can see gold is showing recovery, not much volatility. We can expect the previous support of 1940-41 to act as resistance. The previous support will be working as resistance. As a result, 1940 to 1942 is the first resistance for us. If gold reverses, you can click on the sell button. If you see the market is struggling around 1941-42, it's a confirmation that sellers are present and you can go for a sell. Okay, and how much you can expect? You can expect 25 to 30 pips in this market condition where we do not have much volatility. 25-30 pips before the news is quite good. And then we have second resistance around 1944. Let me show you. See, yesterday when gold made the low of 1933 and gold went up, you can see it respected FIBO 23.6% retracement level. So today definitely we can expect that our FIBO, next FIBO 38.2 should also work as resistance, isn't it? And we are getting the additional confirmation from price action, because we can also see the previous support is also acting as resistance here. FIBO plus previous support acting as resistance. Wow, voila, what a good level. So definitely this is our first resistance for the day. If market reverses, we can look for a sell. Similarly, we have FIBO 50% retracement around 1944 level, and apart from FIBO 50% retracement level, you can also see that previous support will also be acting as resistance. So we are combining Fibonacci along with price action to derive these levels, and before news we can definitely hope that market can reverse. If market reverses, we can look for a sell position, but keep in mind these are not very strong levels, and they should not work after news. In case gold shows upside after news, these levels will not work. Not all the levels have the market have equal strength. Some are weak, some are strong. 1930, 25, these are strong levels, not only because of previous support and all, okay, because the data is showing the same thing. On the other hand, Fibonacci and these levels are not very strong, that can reverse the market after a news. Keep in mind, when fundamentals dominate the market, technicals do not work, and that is a bitter reality, and as retail traders we need to accept it. So that's why I always tell you guys that try to close down all your US dollar positions before the news. After news, you can go for a position again. Anyways, let's wait and watch. Bye bye, take care, see ya tomorrow, and be careful. This is my analysis. I can be wrong as well, so please follow proper risk management. Market is not very clear right now. Technicals are pointing towards a different direction, data is pointing towards a different direction, so it is little bit confusing. So strict risk management is extremely important, and do not gamble. Okay, bye bye, take care, see ya tomorrow.